Hello everyone, what I'm about to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here at the shop, so take it easy. We're almost there. If your Honda shows the message, check battery sensor, it doesn't mean the battery is about to explode or that the car will shut off immediately. What's really happening is that the vehicle isn't receiving reliable information from the sensor that monitors the battery, so for safety reasons it raises a warning. That sensor is usually located on the negative battery terminal, and its job is to measure voltage and charge, so the electrical system knows how to manage power properly. When the sensor fails or loses communication, the Honda gets confused. And that's when the warning pops up on the dashboard. According to the mechanics at this shop, the most common cause isn't the battery itself, but a poor connection or dirt on the sensor. Over time, corrosion builds up, moisture gets in, or the connector loosens slightly, and the sensor starts sending strange signals. In many cases, simply cleaning the terminals well and securing the connector makes the warning disappear. But if the message is still there after cleaning, the next suspect is a tired, aging battery. When the battery can't maintain proper voltage, the sensor thinks there's a serious issue. Many mechanics say they replaced the battery and the problem was fixed without touching anything else, especially when the battery was already several years old. Following the logical path, there are also cases where the charging system or alternator isn't delivering stable voltage. Even if the car starts normally, small voltage fluctuations can confuse the sensor. That's why mechanics always recommend checking voltage with the engine running before blaming the sensor itself. If everything checks out and the warning still won't go away, then yes, the battery sensor itself may be faulty. Mechanics explain that over time this sensor can fail internally and simply stop working. The good news is that it's not an expensive part and it's usually easy to replace, since it's mounted right on the negative battery terminal.